Hello, it's Robert Miner with Dynamic Traders Group with today's DT Daily 3-Minute Update and Trade Strategies. I'm recording this Saturday, June 22nd, around noontime, and I won't have any more kinds of updates or postings for the next week because that's going to be a holiday week for me and the family, and we're going to be off the grid for that time. So I'll be back again in a week with another update. So we're taking a look at a couple markets here that are in immediate position to consider trades for early next week. Let's go. Let's first take a look at the S&P. This is the daily data, and as of Friday, it's in the ideal technical position to have completed at least a daily high. That's a high that lasts for 3 to 5 days, and it goes sideways to down for 3 to 5 days, in this case making a corrective decline, and in this case has a good potential of being a high lasting a couple of weeks and retracing at least 50% of the advance from the June 3rd low. So that's a fairly stiff decline probable over the next few days. Where are we at? Ideal time target on Friday was for the maximum on the upside, and that's because on Thursday was the low to high, and that's a real critical reversal time target projection. And also on Friday was the 100% alternate time projection of this initial advance, which I got labeled a wave A from this wave below. And then as of Friday, we had a potential 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making a what's called a key reversal day, and the daily momentum is making a dual look back bear reversal. So just to trade below Friday's low on Monday is the setup to look for intraday signals with minimal capital exposure for a decline that's probably going to last at least several days. And let me just put the 50% retracement in, probably reach 2850 if not lower. So that's about 100 points below Friday's close. So great setup for a short trade early next week. Well, this is Gold Daily, and I don't have much on the chart, just a couple things I want to bring to your attention for early next week. As of Friday, there were 3 key time factors on Friday, and one of the reasons they're so important is they usually pinpoint at either the exact bar or within a bar or two of the extreme of an immediate trend. So in other words, as of Friday, we're at the extreme of time to complete at least a daily high. We may get a little bit higher early next week on Monday or Tuesday, but keep in mind the upside's probably very limited before we complete what I believe is going to be a wave 3 high, followed by a corrective decline. Now the higher time frames, very bullish as I described in detail in our DT report this week, but we just want to be aware of, depending on your time frame, that we're probably within a day or two at the most of completing at least a daily high, followed by a corrective decline lasting anywhere from several days to a couple of weeks. Our daily momentum's reached dual look back, overbought on Friday. There's the time factor. There's one key price factor at 1404.70. So the upside's probably very limited in time and price before we make that reversal. So just be aware of that. That's it for today. Take care. Have a fantastic week. I'll be back on July 1st with another update. Take care.